जंगल से हमारा बहुत गहरा रिश्ता है। बचपन से ही हम जंगलों में खेले उठे बैठे आए, और हम अगर शहर में भी रहना चाहे तो हम शहर में भी नहीं रह सकते। एकदम घर की तरह हमारा जंगल में रिश्ता है।
Forests provide people with numerous benefits. Some of these benefits are tangible, such as fuel wood, timber, fodder, and non-timber forest products, NTFPs. Some are intangible benefits and regulate abundant aspects of the environment, like water availability, air purity, and local climate. These benefits are together termed as ecosystem services. The ecosystem services derived from forests are called Forest Ecosystem Services or FES.
यहाँ टोकरी का कार्य करते हैं, जो कि हम जंगल से बांस ले आके टोकरी बनाते हैं। उस टोकरी और इनके गमले वगैरह भी तैयार करते हैं, जो कि बाहर भेजते हैं। यही हमारा जो है ना, इसी से हम अपना रोजी रोटी कमाते हैं।
For several decades, the main focus of forest management was to manage forests for timber production. However, the Working Plan Code 2014 has triggered a paradigm shift in the state government's policy to manage forests for a variety of other ecosystem services that they provide, based on the needs and demands of people. The FES approach focuses on forest management for the most important ecosystem services. These forest ecosystem services are identified and prioritized by the stakeholders who are directly linked to forests. As often more than one service is important, the approach tries to include services of secondary importance too. The main FES in Himachal Pradesh are water, fodder, fuel wood, and a number of NTFPs. The GIZ, in collaboration with the Himachal Pradesh Forest Department, is implementing the Himachal Pradesh Forest Ecosystem Services HPFES project since 2016. This project is funded by the German Federal Ministry for Economic Cooperation and Development, or BMZ. The project aims at integrating the FES approach into the state's forest management.
By integrating the management of ecosystem services in the working plan, and by bringing people on board by giving them incentive or in some way compensating them for not disturbing the forestry resources and helping the forest department in conserving the forestry resources, so that we derive the tangible benefits in terms of timber and non-timber forest products, as well as the intangible benefits in terms of water, purified air, and management of the microclimate. It definitely is going to help us in a long way.
The project has three main pillars, which are working plan at divisional level, microplans at local level, and monitoring. The process of integrating the FES approach into the forest management is done in several steps. First, identification of planning area. Second, identification of stakeholders. Third, listing and prioritizing of FES with stakeholders. Fourth, identification of long-term and short-term aims with stakeholders. Fifth, demarcation of zones important for specific FES. Sixth, assessment of forest in the zones. Seventh, zone-wise identification of measures serving these aims. Eighth, implementing and monitoring.
और हमारे यहाँ बांस से हम टोकरी बनाने का, गमले वगैरह बूटों के लिए, घर में कोई ऐसा दीवार बनानी है उसके लिए भी बांस का यूज करते हैं.
Zones for specific FES have been identified together with the villagers at the project's 9 demonstration sites. Management strategies for each zone were identified to ensure the long-term delivery of the specific FES and were formulated in the management plan accordingly.
हमारा ये जंगल 5 भागों में बांटा गया है, और इसमें से C1, C2, C3 और C4 ये जो भाग है, ये नीचे हमारे जो बॉडिया है, मांझ और मझेड़ में 2 बॉडिया, एक जंगल की और काटल में, ये ये हमारे एरिया है, ये इससे रिचार्ज होती है। इसलिए हमें इस जंगल को कोई भी इसमें गतिविधियां नहीं करनी है, ना डंगर को चरान करना है, ना घास पत्तियाँ लकड़ी कोई कुछ भी नहीं करना है, जिससे हमारे को जो नीचे जो हमारी बॉडिया है वो इससे पानी का जो है सोर्स बना रहे।
मेन यहाँ पर समस्या स्थानीय लोगों की पानी की समस्या है, तो पानी की समस्या के ऊपर ही फोकस ज़्यादा है। ये लोगों को जानकारी ग्रामीणों को भी दी गई है कि जब हम जल पौधों को संरक्षण करेंगे, जंगल का संरक्षण करेंगे, तो इन सभी चीज़ों से पानी जो है हमारा बढ़ेगा। और पानी वर्षा ऋतु में पानी ज़्यादातर जो है वेस्ट हो जाता है और वो ढलान की तरफ बह के नालों में चला जाता है। वो पानी किस तरीके से रोका जाए और उसका उपयोग किस तरीके से ज़्यादा हो पाए, इसलिए ट्रेंचेस की बनाने की व्यवस्था की गई है, ताकि ट्रेंचेस में रुक कर पानी वर्षा का आए और ज़्यादातर पानी भूमि के अंदर चला जाए।
The project expects to benefit a total population of 7,758 people directly, out of which 3,944 are women beneficiaries.
अब जब से प्लांटेशन हुई, जब से जंगल में ये पेड़ पौधे लगे, तब से हमारे खेतों में भी अब नमी रहने लगी है और पानी का रिसाव आने लगा है, फसल भी अच्छी होने लगी है।
A total of 18,585 hectares of forest area is being managed through zone-wise management under the 9 micro-plans and 1 divisional working plan as a contribution of the HPFES project. The FES approach promotes sustainable management of forests, ensures conservation of mountain ecosystems, and integrates ecosystem and biodiversity values into state and local planning.
So the capacity building of the entire staff towards this changed scenario where we in the future are going to focus more on the ecosystem services flow has been one of the major achievements of the project, and the success stories which would be carried out would certainly be replicated at other places also. We have another technical cooperation project from GIZ where whatever has been carried out so far would further be continued.